here by way of an acoustic video today. Got no selfie stick, using the human arm today. No microphone. Up in the, not quite the Lake District today, South Cumbria. And weather's miserable. It's June here in the UK. You all know, all you British people know, it's just miserable. It's cold, it's wet, it's grim, it's windy. Yesterday evening it felt like winter. And anyway, been getting cabin fevered. Been getting into that vicious circle of being lethargic, and that's been bringing on anxiety and guilt about not coming out. Anyway, I forced myself out today for a bit of a walk, about 5 kilometres or something. Come out, meet the locals here. Hello. Today the sheep look like I feel miserable. Anyway, speak to you in a bit. So wet is it today? So miserable. I have dug out the venerable Paramo trousers. Far too warm for today, but at least I feel armoured against anything the British weather can throw at me. Just pause the Audible book I'm listening to. I think my anxiety today is sort of at a, I'm going to say crossroads, but it's not even that. It's just a normal sort of once a week decision point. My weight is getting silly now, and I need to do something about it. So whether that's well, I was contemplating going to the doctors and asking for something, but I decided one last go at sorting myself out before that. So it's going out for walks. Decided to try some fasting diet type of thing, which was funny because I started a couple of days ago and I had to not eat anything from 9 o'clock at night until 11 o'clock the next morning, which is perfectly doable. Do that most weekends. The minute we got to 9 o'clock and I knew I couldn't eat anything, I was famished, absolutely famished. Can I hold it with the other hand without covering the lens? Just about, yes. And basically I'm in a can I overcome my inertia phase. Can I actually pull my finger out? I'm going to wander over that side. It's beautiful down there. Pull my finger out, do the things that I know really so easy. I've got the time, I've got the opportunity, I need to do them. More of these walks. Try running, bought myself a new pair of running shoes. Used to do a lot of running back in the day, you know, back in the 20th century. I heard, very early in this century, I heard a historian on the telly refer to back in the 20th century. Makes me sound like a relic. Mind you, I'm feeling like a relic. So yeah, my mental state's a bit wobbly today. I'm feeling lethargic, slightly cross with myself, but I am out. Let's be positive, I'm out. And it's nice out here. It is raining, but there's a small army of goldfinches round and about. I've seen a wagtail, swallows, any number of sheep. I have a theory about sheep, by the way. They start off bouncy and exciting and little lambs, and then as they're growing, their body absorbs the brain in order to grow, and they turn into sheep. I'm sheep, and I do nothing. I just stand. That's my theory about sheep. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen, I give you June in Britain, encapsulated in a single field. That's us, that's the British, hiding behind a wall, trying to stay dry, wondering what on earth's going on. Good, isn't it? I had to show you this field. This is beautiful, this field. Let's look at those flowers. I wonder if I can zoom in a bit. Fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. And I hope when the animals get to eat it, it's very tasty. Because maybe the lesson I'm learning today is one that I've told myself 1,000 times before, which is never mind the weather, just get out there. Because it's not nice today, but actually it's not all that bad. And even if I didn't have the waterproof, and this is a very old coat, I'm not even sure it qualifies as waterproof anymore. Even if I didn't have these things, the fact is I'm only going to be out for an hour. It's not that cold. If I got soaking wet, I'd soon be back indoors, drying off, having a hot coffee. And how do I feel out here? I feel lighter than when I came out. My body's waking up, the blood's rushing, the oxygen is getting up here, and it is beautiful. I feel a bit more connected to where I am. It's good to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. If I had to name my favourite hedgerow flower, it would be these. It would be the roses. They are beautiful. They are simple, unthingy, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I like a good wild rose. So this leg of the walk is proving to be somewhat unpleasant, more bracing than the previous bits. The wind is blowing in my face, bringing the rain with it. Really nice. It's only another half a mile, and then I can turn left for me, and then the wind will be blowing on the side of my face. But it's nice. I feel better. I'm glad I've come out. Well, I'm 2.5 miles-ish into my walk. I think this bit through here is is leaking, slightly sticky inside, but I'm feeling a lot better than I was before I came out, so I'm glad I came. I have to remember where the camera is. Over there. Camera's there. Look at that bit. So as I wade through the puddles, going back down this road, you can hear a car. Better stand out of the way. He missed me. So yeah, note to self, come out anyway, never mind the weather. Nice warm house to go back to. And actually, even in my old leaky waterproofs here, I'm doing alright. Even my hat is leaking today. This one. So anyway, that's it. If you felt like liking and subscribing, that would be much appreciated. These videos are largely for my own benefit, but you know, it'd be nice to know if anybody out there was listening. And if you felt like dropping a comment, I might even comment back. But for today, that's it. So, bob out.